These are the parking elevators at Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas, Nevada. They are Otis elevators. And if one will show up, that's a California code button. Oh, here we go. Wow, the doors are wide. You guys getting off? These are older Otis elevators. A little rundown. Where are you guys going?
We're going to 4, please. Thank you.
Hydraulic or traction? Hydraulic.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So Aaron's on his way to his right now.
Okay. Driving.
Yeah, and he's next.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Very average Otis elevators. Nothing too special. The cabins look like they. Whoa, God. Now we're stopping again. Go down?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, come on in.
We're going up.
Right, up or down?
Down.
I thought we were going down.
Yeah, down.
Oh, shoot. We're open, but this does not work. Yep. Lord, it's stopping on every floor. Down?
Yes. Start charging.
These things are busy. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright. I'm good. There it goes, and that's it.